So if you're like me and you have a multimeter and you love it, but the only bad thing is that the brightness doesn't stay on. It's not. Maybe 10 seconds, and then after that it goes back to normal. But today I'm going to show you how to make it so the backlight permanently stays on. This one I modified with a 3D printer, so just to hold the probes. Just take off the 4 screws and the battery cover and the batteries, and it should pop open. And now the fun stuff. So right here is where the two wires go for the backlight. Red's positive and black is negative. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the big pentalobe capacitor, which are these right here, all the yellows. I'm gonna use the top one right here. This one is positive, and this one is a negative. So we're gonna connect it together. What I already did was I extended the negative and I added some heat shrink tubing so nothing can short out. So I just gotta solder it up. For now I soldered it up, it's looking big and beefy. So that should be it. So I got everything partially assembled. The only thing that's missing is a couple of screws. But just to test it out, the light should automatically be on and everything else should be working. Turns on automatically, and select the switch sound is working, and for the flashlight it is working. Gonna test continuity mode, so it should beep. And next I'm gonna test out the battery. For 1.4, it's still good. Still a good AA battery, which it should be yet. Still on.